Please, this is a situation concerning Bitcoin on a Friday afternoon. Normally, when Bitcoin finishes like this, you see, in the glass like this, it causes a pump. All the other tokens. And if you look, most of the tokens that are pumping are meme coins. Trump Storm, Pinel Storm, Wind Whiff Storm, Moody Storm, Flux Storm. Meme. It must be meme. It's going to be meme. It's going to be meme. It's going to be meme. Whist Storm, Fox Storm, Nero Storm, Pox Storm, Chill Guy Storm. Did you buy any meme coins? I know they're useless, but the point isn't to buy them. The point is just to take profits, and sometimes money, and then resell them. That's it? Okay, that's the goal. So when you have, on a Friday afternoon, it finishes like this, as you can see, we're going to take the profits. Easy as a strategy. Bitcoin is pumping, so it tells us, coin. Go find something. Go find the meme coins. You can see it here in my group on Discord. Everyone is taking profits. Easy. This is a group where everyone can post their stuff. So you hadn't heard about public results? Link. Hold on. Someone who had never treated crypto?